Nothing left, so hold on tight as the hurricane breaks defense. Stay hidden from the causes that might let go of your hands. Take me away, I'm running for my life, for my life. What's with your delay?
Well, hello guys, I'm just on my way now to grab a little bit of a ride in and see how those studs bite into the snow and ice. So I'm just taking a quick little ride, probably be about a half hour, an hour maybe, and just guys give you a little bit of a view. It's a little bit chilly out here today. I think it's about minus 10, 12, maybe minus 15, 16 with the wind chill. So don't know how the bike's gonna like it. It started fine, and so now I'm just gonna go and test out and see some winter wheeling. So stay tuned guys, and when I get there we'll unload and we'll take along for us, and I'll show you how we're gonna do it this winter. Okay guys, catch you in a bit. Let alone on ice. Actually, this is my maiden voyage for ice riding, and feels a lot like sand, so that's kind of a familiar feeling. But anyway, just going on a real short ride and kind of kicking up on some of these top trails and see how she handles. So it is cold. I should adjust the tire pressure a bit better, but I haven't, so we'll see how that goes. And yeah guys, these studs really actually bite in. Got a lot of acceleration. And yeah, so I'm just here at the local riding area in Bruderheim, Alberta. So this will be the Bruderheim natural area that I'm going on. And should take a small rip. It's gonna get dark soon. Sunlight up here in the wintertime in Canada is not that great. So you kind of have to watch where you're going. And yeah, it's actually pretty fun. I'm enjoying it actually. It's not too hot. It's not too hot. It's a relative term. I'm not too cold at all. And I got some good footage. Went on a nice little ride for about a half hour. So So once again, thank you very much for joining me on this ride. If you haven't hit subscribe, do if you like the channel. And hit like and all that other fun stuff. So thanks a lot again, and we'll catch you on the next episode. See you later for now.